Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app, Device Check Hardware and System Info from this developer, and tap on Open. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your Xiaomi dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!